download, you can click the open straight to the application home screen. I'm using this application as a tool, as a medium for me to communicate with my student and sharing note and everything. And basically we have 4 features in this application. For the first features is we have workshop service management course outline, course synopsis, which is we want to tell the student what they are going to learn for this entire course, and then the keywords, the directions, and some informations about me. And then we go to the second features is about the excuse form, and student can fill out this form whenever they have the emergency to excuse my class, and then they need to fill their detail, their matters, and then they need to take a photo, which is selfie with a for example he is going to the bank. They need to take a picture and then to go together with the location and then the date before they submit this excuse form straight to my email. And then the third features is a slide note. I put in here all the lecture notes and the assessment study guideline, course outline for students as a reference for them to continue their study outside the classroom. And then the fourth features is all about the student can upload their soft copy as a